Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering devices. Charge the controller to at least 50% or plug it in via USB-C so it won't drop during pairing. On the console, go straight to the Home menu and open Controllers, then select Change Grip/Order. Once done, the switch is actively searching for inputs. This reduces interference and speeds pairing. Make sure nearby Bluetooth devices are off to avoid conflicts, and position the controller within 1 meter of the console to ensure a stable. You now put the controller into pairing mode so the console can register it. Press and hold the small sync button on top of the Joy-Con or Pro controller until the lights blink. This tells the controller to broadcast. On screen, watch for the controller icon to appear. When it does, select it. If you're using a Pro controller in Bluetooth mode, you may press SL and SR together while detached to force discovery. Once the switch shows the controller as connected, the system completes the handshake automatically. You finish by confirming full functionality. Open controller settings and calibrate sticks or test buttons in a simple game to verify responsiveness. If the controller misbehaves, remove it from the controller's menu and repeat pairing. This clears old bindings. If problems persist, reset the controller by holding the sync button for 12 seconds, then re-enter pairing mode. This clears cached Bluetooth data. One tip: interference from phones or Wi-Fi routers often causes lag. Move those away while pairing to stabilize the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.